aspiring pilots, I am Meghna Thomas and welcome back to our channel Golden Epaulettes Aviation Pilot Training Academy, your route to the cockpit. In my video today, I'm going to be continuing with the preparation for the English language exam, which is usually asked for your Cadet Pilot Program written examination. We have already solved 2 question papers. Today we are going to do the third one for you. And today's topic is going to be English verb forms. And we will be doing it just the way we did the previous papers. I am going to solve a set of questions for you, and at the end of the video I'm going to share with you a slide where there will be more questions which you will be answering for me, and you are going to leave your answers in my comments section below. Oh, I'm so excited to do this with you all. Let's get started. So let's begin with the first exercise. Use modal verb forms can, may, must in a positive or negative form to complete the following sentences. So you have to use these 3 words in the blanks, and this can be used in a positive or a negative manner. So let's see the first one. You dash give me a lift. I can go by train. So here the person is saying he or she can go by train, so he does not need a lift. So this should be, you may not give me a lift. I can go by train. So this becomes may not, because it can be used in a positive or a negative form. So this becomes may not. The next one is, don't talk. You dash be quiet. Don't talk. You must be quiet. I want a computer at home. I must buy one. I don't understand. Dash you repeat it? It will be, can you repeat it? Where is it? I cannot see it or can't see it. The next one is, you dash drive fast. We have enough time. So this means you must not drive fast. Must not, we have enough time. We dash stop here. It is not allowed. We cannot stop here or we can't stop here. It is not allowed. How can I get there? You dash take a taxi if you want. How can I get there? You can take a taxi if you want. I failed the English test, but I dash try again. I want to pass it. So here it is, I must try again. I want to pass it. So this is the exercise 1. I hope you all would have got this right. Now let's move on to exercise 2. The exercise 2 says, put the words in the correct order to make imperative sentences. So these are the jumble words, and you have to form them in a way that it makes sense. So over seat, there take. Take a seat. Yes, so this makes sense. Take a seat over there. Right? Eat something to have. Eat something to have. I think it should be have something to eat. So bags, have, many don't. Don't have so many bags. Not sit, do down. Do not sit down. The next one. Quiet, do be. Do be quiet. It me for let you do. Let me do it for you. That was easy. Let worried not us be. Again, let us not be worried. Now the let pay customers. Let the customers pay now. Next one. Explain it, let her. Let her explain it. I think these makes the most these sentences make the most senses. Now let's come to exercise 3. Here you have to make questions to match the answers. So no, they needn't help her. So I think the question should be, should they help her? No, they needn't help her. No, you mustn't park here. So mustn't should be may. It can be, may I park here? Yes, you can tell him. So you get this here. Use that in the question. Can I tell him? The next one. How many exercise dash? You must do 3 exercise. This is you. So how many exercise should I do? These are the exercises. Now the exercise 4, I am just going to show you one example, and the next would be what you would do as your homework or what you would do for me. So let us just see what the exercise 4 looks like. Match these sentences. I must eat less, I am so thin. I can't eat less, I am getting fat. So you have to match the correct sentence, like what you think would be the right sentence, which means it is 1 and B. I must eat less, I am getting fat. Yeah, and I can't eat less, I am so thin. This is how you would write the answers. Let's see the first one. I'm going to do the first one for you, and the remaining you will be doing for me. Hurry up, the train is coming. The train comes on time. So this is correct. It is 1 is A. Hurry up, the train is coming. And the second one is also right. We don't need to worry, or we needn't worry. The train comes on time. 2B. Wow, this was a very interesting paper. I really enjoyed doing this for you all. I hope you too enjoyed seeing it and doing it as well. Like I said, there is another set of questions that I have, which you will be doing for me. We have already done 3 exercises today. There are 2 more exercises, that is exercise 4 and exercise 5, which I would share on your screen right now. Please feel free to take a screenshot, or you can pause the video. It would be lovely to see you all solve these for me, and I expect to see your answers very soon. In case you find it a little difficult, don't worry, I will be solving these questions for you in my next video. So until then, stay tuned to Golden Epaulettes Aviation. Come, let's fly!